Welcome back. Today we're gonna rescue another extremely muddy vehicle. Let's go find it.
Keep looking. Maybe it's over there. I think I see something.
Perfect, stop here. Let's prepare everything. Look at that shine! It's actually black smoke metallic. We're finally getting somewhere.
Scrub gently.
Yes.
It's coming off nicely.
Keep the pressure steady on the top edge. I'm almost done with the wipers here. We have the microfiber towels ready for the glass. Almost finished here.
Yeah.
The mirrors are next. Let's move to the hood. Foam is ready for the next step. Nice even coverage. Don't miss the edges.
The mud is breaking loose. Keep the pressure light. The headlights are almost visible.
Yeah, they look brand new. There's a lot trapped inside. Clean around the badge carefully. One more pass. The paint looks excellent. Let's soak this section first. Cover the window edges too. Look how shiny that black paint is.
The contrast with the mud is incredible.
The dirt is coming off. Clean the window trim carefully.
This area is really caked. Give it extra foam. Don't miss the fuel cap. The paint is appearing.
There's a lot inside here. Keep brushing. These wheels were completely hidden. The alloy finish is coming back. Looking much better. Now the wheel arch. Wheel finished. Let's move to the back.
We'll start from the rear window. Foam cannon is ready. Start from the top. Cover the rear wiper.
Crystal clear now. Move down to the tailgate. The glass is clearing. Yeah. Don't scratch the wiper.
Foam every corner.
Yeah.
Don't miss the badges.
The emblem is shining. The lettering is clean. Looks perfect. Next, the taillights. The LEDs look brand new. Both sides are finished. This bumper needs extra foam.
Yeah.
Cover the lower edge.
The metallic finish is flawless. Look how the water beads.
Almost clean.
Finish around the plate.
Let's begin this side.
Cover the wheel arch completely. This mud is really packed. The arch is clearing.
Beautiful finish. Let's move to the front door.
The paint is showing. Clean every edge.
foam from top to bottom. Mirror is fully covered.
Front door finished. Rear door is next. Rear door is next.
This panel needs extra foam. Cover the whole window. Make sure to hit that lower seam well. The mud's really packed in there. Got it. It's flowing down to the drain now. Another panel complete. Only the rear section remains.
The paint is appearing. Clean every body line.
That section is finished. Let's clean the wheel arch.
The alloy is shining. Almost finished.
There's mud deep inside. Keep brushing. Rear wheel complete. Only the front wheel remains. Last muddy wheel. Let's make it perfect. All wheels are finished. Time for the final rinse. Time for the final rinse. The paint looks excellent. Let's give it the final shine. No water spots. One final rinse.
Everything looks clean. Keep the pad moving. The gloss is improving.
The rear looks perfect. The badges are shining.
The tires look new. Perfect finish. The reflection is incredible. This side is finished. Don't forget the jam. Every detail matters. Everything looks flawless. Excellent work, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next rescue.
See you next time.
What a transformation. It looks brand new. Amazing teamwork.
Great job.